In this video, we are going to walk through how to set up your application in PEGA Constellation for your LSA exam. If you are an LSA aspirant or already preparing for the exam, this will give you a solid foundation on how to configure your application before starting the development.
First, go to App Studio and create a Constellation implementation application. In this example, we are creating the dev-only application first. If you have a single implementation application, like the delivery service application from the course, you can also create that first. Once you've done that, create an admin user and log in with that user. Now that you are logged into the dev-only application, open your application and save as to create the organization application. Open the organization application, remove the dev-only rule sets from the rule set stack and update the URL alias. Then go to the associated classes and delete all the classes. Add your organization-specific classes here. Change the skin to default application skin or organization skin. Delete the organization rule sets from the dev-only application and save. Go to the Application Wizard tab in your organization application and declare it as your foundational application. It will then appear in App Studio as a built-on application. Create and add the organization application access group to the admin operator. Now you're all set. Once all the previous steps are complete, open App Studio and create the remaining applications. In this example, I have 3 implementation applications: Application A, Application B, and Application C. In your case, there may be fewer or more, and you can create them accordingly. Now, let's create Application A. As you can see, the PDY organization application is now visible, and we'll build on top of it. Application A is now configured and the author's access group has been added to the admin operator. We'll continue in the same way for the other 2 applications. Now that all applications are created, go to Dev Studio and remove the organization rule sets from those applications, since the PDY organization application is already included as a built-on application. Finally, open the dev-only application and add all the other implementation applications as built-on applications. Now you can switch to the corresponding application's App Studio and start development. With the dev-only application, it's easy to check and configure advanced settings for each application layer in Dev Studio. It also makes it easier for your instructor to review all applications together. Once you have finished the build, you can create the application product in the dev-only rule set and share it with the PEGA team.